through tears and heartfelt sighs, we journey where empathy lies. Each episode a journey embarked, where every listener finds their spark. Walk and roll live, let's hear it unfold. Doug Vincent hosts his warmth untold, from triumphs high to struggles low. Every story finds its glow. In every word, in every beat, the rhythm of resilience so sweet. Walk and roll live, a symphony of grace. In every tale, a sacred space. Walk and roll live, let's hear it unfold. Doug Vincent hosts his warmth untold, from triumphs high to struggles low. Every story finds its glow. So join the journey.